Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share your Netflix account with a friend on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Well, to share your Netflix account with a friend, you can add your friend's profile on your Netflix account. The steps are, please click Add Profile here, and then customize icon and your friend's name. Okay, and then press Save option at the top right corner. Okay, and then here you can already share your Netflix account with your friend. Well, that's the tutorial on how to share your Netflix account with a friend on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.